In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your GetResponse API key. Understanding how to access your API key is essential for integrating GetResponse with other applications, and I'm here to guide you through each step in a clear and straightforward way. Let's begin. First, let's make sure you're logged into your GetResponse account. Once inside, you will find yourself on the dashboard. It's beneficial to familiarize yourself with this layout, as it's the hub for managing your email marketing campaigns, contacts, and more. You should see a menu on the left-hand side. From here, you'll want to navigate to the integration settings. Take your time to locate the button marked with a plus sign that says Plus New. This is where you'll start the process of adding a new integration. Click on this button, and what you'll see next is a list of integration options available for your GetResponse account. These integrations are useful for connecting with a variety of other platforms and services to streamline your marketing efforts. After you've clicked on the Plus New option, you will see another button labeled Add Integration. Go ahead and click on it. This is an important step, as adding a new integration is essentially the path to acquiring your API key. Once you've clicked, you'll be directed to a new page where you can either create a new API key or find a list of your previously created keys. Here you have two choices. If you've already generated an API key before and simply need it again, you can click on Copy Old One to retrieve it quickly. However, if you're creating an API key for the first time or need a new one for a different integration, select API, Create New API. This function is there for your security and ensures each integration has its own unique key. When you opt to create a new API key, you'll be prompted to name this API key. It's best to choose a name that clearly describes what it's being used for, especially if you plan on having multiple integrations. Naming your API key thoughtfully will help you stay organized in the future. After you've named your key, click to confirm your creation. Once done, your new API key will appear on the list. It's crucial to keep this key confidential, as it can grant access to your GetResponse account through the integration. Copy this key exactly as it appears to use in your desired application and store it in a secure location. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to acquiring your GetResponse API key. Integrating your marketing tools is now a simple process enhanced by this powerful feature. Stay tuned for more tutorials to help you make the most of your digital marketing strategies. Thanks for watching and happy integrating.